Welcome to EGF Academy. I am Dr. Gitanjali. Today's topic is carbon cycle. How carbon is going from our abiotic component like atmosphere to the organism to the oceans. That is called its cycling. So carbon cycle involves a continuous exchange of carbon between atmosphere and organism. In the atmosphere, we have carbon. Approx 829 gigaton of carbon is present in the atmosphere. Oceans have the largest amount of carbon in the form of carbonate and bicarbonate. So this carbon dioxide, when it comes at the ocean surface, it dissolves inside it. The gas dissolve and it interact or it combine with the water and it makes the HCO3, CO3, carbonate, bicarbonate, and that carbonate and bicarbonate is present in the ocean. So oceans have the largest amount of carbon, which is 38,855 gigaton of carbon. Rest of carbon is present in the soil and sediments, inside the soil, inside the rock. And the living store means the plants plus animals. They have approx 523 gigaton of carbon. So that's how carbon is distributed in different components in the living being, also in the non-living. So the cycling of carbon is the atmospheric carbon is absorbed by the plants and then it is transferred from one trophic level to the another trophic level. So that's how, and after the death of that organism, it again comes into the atmosphere, and from the atmosphere carbon dioxide is again absorbed by this plant. So carbon is a minor constituent of the atmosphere as compared to oxygen and nitrogen. It is 21% and nitrogen 70%, and carbon dioxide is approx 0.04%. So it means carbon dioxide is present in it is a very minor constituent as compared to oxygen and nitrogen. To join our online course, please visit registration link given in the description box. You can contact us on given numbers regarding any query related to online courses.